Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a flexible LED screen, and I'm going to show you guys what this is and how it kind of works. So we'll open it up here and I'll show you it. So here's all the pieces and parts. It looks like it comes with, I guess I got 2 rolls of VHB tape for it. We have a cigarette plug adapter for it here. We have the USB connector on it here, and the switch to turn it on and off. So we'll give this thing a try and see how we can do it here. And then this is the device here. I think I have a plug over here in my Tesla. I do. Okay, so plugged into my Tesla, and we'll plug this in here. And it looks like it's gonna clip and be secure. And look at that. It's already saying something. What does it say? Love. So we have that, and then we can connect it. There should be an app for it, so let me go and look at the instructions here, and we'll see if we can connect it up to something. So here is the instructions here. I'll show you it for a second. That's it right there, and there's a QR code here for my app. So let's try that on my iPad if I am connected to the internet. Probably not, but I'll try it here. Let's see. Okay, so it's gonna open up this Spot LED. Oh, I guess I already have this app as Spot LED. So let's see if I want to connect to a device. I will say there, and it says Spot LED. It wants to connect to this device here. So we are Bluetoothing it right now, and it says connected. So we are connected to this. I'll hold it here as we play. So let's see if I want to do graffiti. I can just draw something on here and then say go, and there it is. Look at that, it puts it on there. So I could just say, I could go back and just have it be, where's it, the back button here. I can make it do text, and I can have a sign that says, oh, right there, open, and play, and now it says open on there. So if we were putting on a building or something like that, like if we put it on here on the sign here, we could have it say open, or we could have it say closed, or we could have it do whatever. Or if I'm an Uber driver, I could say Uber, right? And then there it is, it says Uber. And then we can go and we can do, what else can we do with the text? We can do effects. I can make it go slide or scroll up. What does that do? Oh, I have to do it again. Uber. Oh, there it is. Now it's scrolling up saying Uber. So you could do all sorts of different things with it. How cool is that? So it's a little screen. I could even wear it on my belly if I wanted to with a little battery pack. But I could stick it in the back of my car here in that back window, and then people will know what it is, or in the front window, however you want it. But look at that. It's a really nice sign. So even here, if they wanted to use it at this the Humane Society where I'm at here volunteering, they could even say like open or closed or pets available or something like that. They could just make it say whatever they want whenever they want it. So how cool is that? Super cool little sign, and it looks good. It's flexible, which is nice, and thumbs up. I really like it.